Hi, good morning. My name is Efrain Santos. I apologize for not presenting the video as suggested in the instruction guide because I can't move by myself and I can't work yet. My video is a personal reflection on advantage and disadvantage of using teaching portfolio per observation, a teaching journal. Teaching portfolio is a great tool that allows us to have at our disposal all the material that we will use in class. The goals, objectives, means, material, and how it will dictate our class. In teaching portfolio, we can have different sources of research, class attendance, problems that arise day by day. Teaching portfolio allows us to evaluate our class and the students. This advance is a very complete tool and requires extra work on our part. Not many teachers are willing to have extra work in class. Peer observation. Peer observation is an excellent to share class experience with other peers. Each of one has a special way of teaching that can be very valuable and useful for other partners. Peer observation is a good tool for partners who start working with us and we want to share the way we teach. It's a very valuable experience in which we give and receive job information as teachers. One disadvantage: the presence of another person in class can be a little intimidating and create the feeling that they are evaluating. Not many teachers agreed with this method for that reason. A teaching journal. Teaching journal is a travel diary. It's our personal diary where we write all daily adventures as a teacher. Our achievements, our failures, our chance. When we reach teaching journal, we can see how we are acting in our classroom and what solution we can provide. We can all see our achievements and keep them. A teaching journal is a testimony of our life as a teacher and a tool to help us to reflect on our roles as educators. One disadvantage of the journal is you do not create the habit of writing daily. You can forget. Not many teachers agree to finish the class and stay writing about what happened to them. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.